Vajrapradama Mudra. Gesture of unshakable trust. Cross the fingers of both hands in front of your chest. Solid fundamental trust is the basis for healthy self-confidence. We experience times when we think we can deal with whatever comes our way, and there are times when we doubt ourselves. We feel insecure and think ourselves not capable of handling anything that happens. At the beginning of the meditation, formulate your question or request in precise and clear terms, either out loud or quietly. Then give thanks for the directions that are given to you. For the rest of the meditation, simply be still and direct your attention to your breathing. Affirmation: I'm a creation of the greatest omnipotence, whose strength and power lovingly support me at all times.